Hello, we are on our way to protest and I've got my friend Will here.
Hi.
And so we're doing protest in Carnarvon.
It is the Youth for Climate Change protest.
Something like that. And it's outside the council offices. And yeah.
And it's Red Nose Day.
Yeah, it's Red Nose Day. Red Nose Day!
Don't forget to donate to Comic Relief. Goodbye.
Bye. We've just finished a conversation with the Gwynedd Council.
It's more like
Libby's mum's got
yeah,
contact
it's
with
kind
her,
of
so
corporate
we
the way
can
we can
contact
with
her.
requests,
If you've got any ideas, please comment.
Yes.
They have a great time.
So, yeah, we are still in Carnarvon. Half an hour left.
Wait.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
that's
half an
yeah.
Half an hour left.
Well, just do that by
And,
setting a good example,
bye.
really.
Strike for climate change! Strike for climate change! Strike for climate change! Strike for climate change! Be eco-friendly! Be eco-friendly! Be eco-friendly!